Okay, so this video we're going to cover the installation of the main gun for the Nashorn, and we're going to start out by just taking a sort of a medium-sized bit, a little bit smaller than 1/8, 3/32 I think it is, and just drill out this hole pretty deep in the bottom. So you need a nice pocket for the rotator piece. And I actually recommend using either the very end of a bamboo skewer, but it's a little bit thick, and a round toothpick works well for this. So just sharpen it a little bit. And cut off a piece 8mm long or so. Doesn't need to be very long. Oh. And just install that on the bottom here. Because of the way you have to slide it in, install it slightly angled forward. 20 degrees, something like that. And let that dry. And while you're doing that, let's see if we can get another one of these. Take a round toothpick and just open up this hole in the gun platform, but do it at an angle as well. And depending on how insertion goes, you may actually have to take like a 1/16 bit and work back a little bit just to get it to slide into place. Shouldn't be too hard to get it into place. So here I have one that's dry, and kind of drop it in like this, hook the piece in, and then slide it forward. You can see how it pushes out past these side walls here. You want to take a piece of 1mm cardboard, or 1.5 actually, would be fine too, and approximately 25mm long. And just slightly round it. Pop it into place. Under the gun, like so, but push it down a bit so it sits flat. And so you want to make sure that it's not so bowed that it doesn't actually touch this gun shield here. You want it kind of touching right at the front and then going over and overlapping these side walls about halfway on each side. So once you've assured that it's going to be in the right position, remove this again. Push that away. Careful not to disturb its shape as you reinstall it. Okay, and let that dry, and then you can pop this gun on and it should turn freely, but don't push it all the way down until that glue's dry. And that should complete. Is this even the right gun? No, this is the dry one. I don't want to disturb that one. That should complete the mounting process. But again, don't push this all the way down until it's dry. Now, if you're noticing that this piece of matchstick is interfering with this, you can always put an extra layer of cardboard down here to kind of lift this up a little bit, so you have a little bit more room. And now, all we gotta do is make the track, and paint it, and install the headlight and a few tools, and we're good to go. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you guys soon.